Are you a plant mom? And have you ever wondered how you could turn your kitchen scrap into food for your plants rather than tossing them into the trash? Well, I have. Kitchen scraps in the summertime is a nightmare for fruit flies. And then this company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review the Moreborn MB4 Food Composter. It looks great on any countertop. It's a US brand with real customer support. So along with the machine came flower planting substrate, charcoal bits, this weighs about 16.5 pounds, so you have to be very careful because it carries a little weight to it. So here I'm showing you the canister on the inside. So here at the front we have the function buttons, we have the mode, and then we have the composting button, and then it moves along the sequence until it gets to self-cleaning. I replaced the bucket and then turned it around. At the back of the machine there is a small plastic box with a silicone lid. I am going to lift that off and then pour the activated charcoal in the filter box. I'm not going to pour all of it, I just pour like maybe a quarter of the pack and close it back and then replace the box. And you want to ensure that the lid is tightly secured before you replace the box. Then I grabbed my bag of kitchen scraps and fruit peels, vegetable peels. I kept this in my refrigerator, and this is a bag with some coffee grounds, and I'm going to drop that in our bin, half of it actually. And then I'm going to add some flower planting substrate. The food waste that are acceptable are fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, chicken, noodles, grains, nuts, legumes, coffee grounds, cheese, bread and cookies, sausage and bacon, cooked eggs, stems and roots or rinds. And I have a mixture of all of that except for the meat. Next, you place the lid on and make sure that it's turned to the lock position, and then you plug the unit up and watch it process through the glass. And this is what it looks like. I must tell you that I love the features of the Moreborn Food Composter. The dry mode shrinks waste by 90% in 4 to 6 hours. The compost mode turns scraps into real fertilizers. It runs quietly, you can hardly hear it, and you can even watch through the window to see the process. Left it to run overnight. I came back from church and it's now ready. Wow, look at how it reduced the bag of food scrap into this small container of dried plant food. And this is food for my plants. So thank you so much for watching this review for the Moreborn Food Composter. There's a link in the description box below, make sure to check that out. And for more product reviews like this, be sure to watch this playlist right here.